3, 2, 1, action. Okay guys, I'm on a walk. I tried to make a walk video, but when I hit next it wouldn't work. And that was just a perfect video. And now I had to make a new one. And during the trim, I don't need to, it normally works during the trim when you hit next, but it didn't work. And then somehow it just worked, and I didn't see it working. So I started uploading without a title. And I can't do that. I can't just add the title if it's too late. It doesn't work that way, videos. So I forgot some tips to help you practice being a YouTuber. Pretend you have your phone or the camera and you'll make you a YouTube video. Who is in there?
James and Julian.
Oh yeah. So are they going to the pool, to the large spot that we go to? Yay, so they're going to be with us? See, I'm doing this with a stick.
Okay, that's good.
Let me go over and say hi.
Hey, Bella.
I'm going to put my friends James and Julian, or their mom, on video live. I don't know if you hear the dogs barking. I can hear them. I'm putting her on YouTube.
You're videotaping me with my
I'm
hair
putting
like
you
this?
on YouTube.
She's putting me on YouTube.
You're on YouTube too, little puppy. You too.
Yeah, I was trying to get Bella, easy, gentle, down. Bella, down.
This is seriously going on YouTube.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. So I just put her on YouTube. So we're gonna get a Kirby towel. She already has a Kirby towel. That is.
Unless I like do my hair.
It is. Not all Kirby towels are cheetah. I know.
Yes. Yeah, we're gonna.
Hannah, please stop it.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah, people.
You too. You're on it too.
I look awful.
No, I think you look good. No, I think you look good.
I was like, say we could stop
You
playing
look
high.
perfect.
My hair is in a hair turban.
I know, but it's perfect.
Bella.
Stop, Dallas.
I made a video of myself when my hair was in a
He's
hair
fine.
turban.
I don't have her anymore.
What? You got...
She was bad, so we had to send her to the show.
Okay.
She
I'm watching the dog. Watch the dog as he just pounces for me. Watch the dog. That's just me in the reflection. You see my phone in the reflection? Yeah. And you see my brother. Go inside. Wait, let me ask her. Wait, go ask her again. So my brother's gonna ask her if we can go inside. Like he already did.
No, it's just the iPod Touch.
James and Julian aren't really dressed.
We're gonna see him at the pool
all
soon,
the
okay?
way.
All right.
We're gonna go home and like pack up for the pool.
If they had pants on, I would let you go in. They don't. They would kill me. Yeah.
I know.
So
They've
she-
done
so
that
she
over
said
there.
no.
I'm like, I'm in my nightgown.
Yeah.
Just let everybody come in. So funny. Yeah, next time you have to come out with us. Now I tell Kelly. She's like, she would invited her. She would come out. I was like, you think she's like,
That's a 27. So, question is, what is, so again, a question. What is my favorite color? If you get it right, I get to use your voice. And I found this feather. Chris, I found a feather. Oh. Yeah, I found a feather. Ah, I found this super soft feather.
Can I hold it?
So I'll hold it for the video. See this feather? I found this. I found this feather.
Look at all these flowers.
Ooh, a wish flower. Keep it, Chris. Make a wish.
I wish to have 2,000 toys.
If you have 2,000 toys, can you share with me? Can I help you?
Yeah.
So it also becomes my wish with my toys as also.
They got them off.
Yeah, but it still became my wish for helping. It became both of our wishes. We both get 1,000.
And what if we can find another wish flower?
Yeah, so I can make a wish too.
And I can help you.
Yeah, so it becomes your wish. I'm gonna wish for $1,000. Mailbox. What's my favorite color? What do I like more? Mint green or mint blue?
Please say mint blue.
Leave MG for mint green, leave MB for mint blue. Look at these beautiful rocks. Don't mind if I take one? Nope. Somebody else's property. Huh.
Yeah, I do this walk a lot too. Nice.
Look at this flower.
Well, that's
Oh,
fine.
good.
Flip-flops that are
Like that. Let me put it on tape. Yeah, it's on tape. Looks like a clover.
He insisted on wearing that.
Alright, we'll see you guys later at the pool.
All right, guys.
All right.
See you in a bit. We can go swimming together, right?
Yeah. Chris, it's Julian, and me with James.
I want to play with everyone.
Oh, don't walk in the middle of them. There's Julian. Say hi to Julian. There he is. Hi, Julian.
Julian! We were just coming to say hi. You're going on YouTube. It's serious. You're going on YouTube now. I'm making a YouTube video and you guys are in it.
Okay.
That's all the time that we have for today.
Get on YouTube.
Make sure to answer in the comments.
Julian,
Bye.